How does business interruption insurance work? Does it cover my operational costs and income if I temporarily shut down for renovations or relocation?
So business interruption coverage actually is what's called a dependent coverage. So in order for business interruption coverage to apply, there first needs to be a property loss. So if you've had a fire, a theft, a car drive through your front glass window, and then you've got a claim, and then you need to shut down because you do need to make renovations, you need to make other repairs or whatever else happens, and you're going to have loss of income. At that point, business interruption coverage would apply because you've had another sort of claim and you need to be out of business to address the incident that caused that claim. But it doesn't cover something just because, oh, I just want to redecorate, I'm going to shut down for a week. That would not be a covered claim.